unlike and like fraction. Okay. Today we will learn about the addition and subtraction of like fraction. So let's start. If there is an addition of like fraction, what is like fraction? If denominator is same. So for that, 2 by 3 and 4 by 3. Now you can see the denominator are same. So if the denominator are same, you only need to add the numerator. 2 plus 4 divided by 3. So it is 6 by. You can also cut the common factor or you can leave up to. Now let's take one more example. 4 by 8 plus 5 by 8. So again denominator are same. So here we will add numerator 4 plus 5 divide 8. 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay. Third one. Here we have 11 by 2, 4 by 2. So we will add 11 plus 4 whole divide 2. That is 15 by. You can also convert this into mixed fraction or you can leave the answer up to this. You can also perform direct answer. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So you can directly add 2 plus 1, 3 by 5. Remember that the denominator remains same. You no need to add the denominator. Denominator add करवानो नहीं. Only you need to add the numerator. Let's take one more example. Now here 3 plus 4 that is 7 divide 7 that is what? Whole part 1. 7 will be cancelled out. 8 by 11 plus 2 by 11. So again 8 plus 2 that is 10 by 11. So this way you can perform the addition of like fraction. Like fraction means denominator are same. Now subtraction. So subtraction is same as addition. Let's take example 5 by 17 minus 3 by 17. So here what you need to do? 5 minus 3 divide 17. Okay, only you need to perform the subtraction of numerator. 5 minus 3 that is 2 by 17. Okay, denominator remains same. Let's take some example. 6 by 15 minus 4 by 15. So again 6 minus 4 by 15 that is 2 by 15. Now next 14 by 102 minus 11 by 100. So here what you need to do? Perform subtraction of 14 minus 11. Denominator remains same. So it is 3 by 100. Or you can perform the direct subtraction. Let's take example. So if 5 by 16 minus 4 by 16 is there, then you can write 1 by 16. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now here 8 minus 4 that is 4 by 9. Now here 3 minus 1 that is 2 by 14. When the denominator is same, it means if they are like fraction, then you can directly perform the addition or subtraction of numerator. Now here we will start exercise 7.5 with question number 1. Find addition or subtraction sign. Here the figures are given and you need to find the sign for the figure. So here first figure is given. You can see how many parts are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In next figure it is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in the third figure it is also 5 parts. Here 1 part, here 2 parts. And in answer total 3 parts. So it means it is addition. So here we can write it is 1 by 5. This is 2 by 5 and answer is 3 by 5. So how we can get this? If we perform the addition. So here sign of plus will be there. Now here total 5 parts are there. So we can write 5 by 5 as a fraction. Here from 5 part 3 parts are shaded. So what operation between 5 and 3 we can perform to get 2? So 5 minus 3 is 2. So in answer we have subtraction sign. Now here total 6 circle are there in a box, and in that 2 part is shaded. So we can write it as 2 by 6. Here from this 6, 3 are shaded. So we can write 3 by 6. And in answer total 5 part is shaded. So we can write 5 by 6. Now which operation we can perform between 2 and 3 to get 5? It is addition. So here addition sign will be. Now question number 2. Solve. First is 1 by 18 plus 1 by 18. So here denominator is same, means they are like fraction. So we can write direct 1 plus 1 divide 18. So this is 2 by 18. You can cut the common factor, answer is 1 by 9 or 2 by 18. That it is also correct. Both answer will right. Here 3 by 15, 8 by 15 plus 3 by 15. So here we will add 8 plus 3 whole divide 15. So that is 11 by 15. Now here 7 by 7 minus 5 by 7. So here you need to perform 7 minus 5 divide 7. So that is 2 by 7. Clear? Now 1 by 22 plus 21 by 22. So it is 1 plus 21 by 22. Add the numerator. So here 22 by 22. You can cut the common factor, it is 1. Or you can write 22 by 22, then it is also right. 12 by 15 minus 7 by 15. So here 12 minus 7 divide 15. 12 minus 7 is 5. Divide 15. Also you can cut the common factor, 5 3s are 15. So here answer is 3, or you can leave answer 5 up to 15. Now 5 by 8 plus 3 by 8. So you can write 5 plus 3 whole divide 8. So it is 8 by 8. Answer is 1. Now next 1 minus 2 by 3. Now here in a bracket written 1 is 3 by 3. So here you can write 3 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So 3 minus 2 that is 1 by 3. Now for this 1 by 4 plus 0 by 4. If you add 0 in any fraction, answer is 0. So it is 1 by 4. Clear? Next is 3 minus 12 by 15. 12 by 5. So here you can get 5 in a denominator by multiplying 3 with 5 minus 12 by 5. Here denominator is 1. Okay. હવે 1 છે અને 5 લાવવું હોય તો 1 ને મલ્ટીપ્લાય 5 કરવા પડે. That's why we multiply here 1 with 5. Same in a numerator. Every time every number has denominator 1. કોઈ પણ નંબર લખો એને denominator 1 તો clear. So 4 is equal to 4 by 1. So 3 is equal to 3 by 1. So here you need to multiply 3 with 5 and 1 with 5 to get denominator 5. Now we have 15 by 5 minus 12 by 5. Okay, so 15 minus 12 is 3 by 5. Clear? What we have to? That is, here in a 3 denominator is 1. So 1 is multiplied with 5. Same number we should multiply in a numerator. So 3 is also multiplied with 5. So 3 5 are 15 by 5. And 15 by 5 minus 12 by 5 is 3 by 5. Clear? Now example 3. Subham painted 2 by 3 of wall space in a room. His sister Madhvi helped and painted 1 by 3 of the wall. How much did they paint together? Means Subham paint 2 by 3 part and Madhvi paint 1 by 3 part. So total how much part is painted? So we can write Subham paint 2 by 3 part, Madhvi paint 1 by 3 part. So total 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Now 2 plus 1. that is 3 by 3 is equal to 1, means whole wall is painted. So wall is painted by Madhuri and Subha. Now question number 4, fill the missing fraction. Here first is 7 by 10 minus blank is equal to 3 by 10. From 7 which number we should subtract to get 3? 7 માંથી કોઈ number subtract કરીએ તો 3 આવે, that is 4. If we subtract 4 from 7 we get 3, so denominator remains same, that is 4 by 2. Now here we need to subtract 3 by 21 from some fraction, we get 5 by 21. કયા નંબર માંથી 3 subtract કરીએ તો આન્સર 5 આવે, that is 8. 8 minus 3, that is 5. So 8 minus 3 is 5. Denominator is same because like fraction. Now next, subtract 3 by 6 from some fraction. Answer is 3 by 6. So from which number we should subtract 3? So answer is 3. કયા નંબર માંથી 3 subtract કરો તો answer 3 જ આવે, that is 6. If we subtract 6 minus 3, answer is 3. Denominator remains same. So it is 6 by 6 minus 3 by 6. Answer is 3 by 6. Now we add some fraction in 5 by 27. Answer is 12 by 27. 5 માં કયો number add કરીએ તો 12. That is if we add 7 into 5. So it is 7 by 27. Denominator remains same because they are like fraction. So 7 plus 5 is 12. Denominator is 27. Now question number 5. Javed was given 5 by 7 of a basket of oranges. What fraction of oranges was left in a basket? Means if we consider basket as a whole part and it is divided into 7 parts. Let's take one figure. In that, okay. So from this basket, let's say there are 7 oranges and from 7 oranges 5 are given to the jar. So how many parts are remaining? So here whole basket is considered as a one part. Okay. One part mathi 5 by 7 part is given to the jar. So from whole part 5 by 7 part is given to jar. Okay, so we can write 1 minus 5 by 7 is remaining. From whole part, this one is given to the Javed. So what is the remaining? Now 1 is represented by 7 by 7 minus 5 by 7. So it is 2 by 7. Means 2 by 7 part is remaining in the basket. Part of oranges remain in basket. Okay. Here basket is considered as a one whole part. Means from whole part 5 by 7 is given to the Javed. Means what is the remaining? From the whole part that is given to the Javed is separated. So 1 means 7 by 7 minus 5 by 7. So it is 2 by 7. Means in a basket 2 by 7 part of oranges will remain.